Hello guys, today we are going to create an answer key. So how to create an answer key? So dapat nasa home tayo. Home. Then, punta ka sa paragraph. And select the numbering. And choose the numbering style you prefer. So dito tayo. Enter first. Then, so next, type the following codes for letter A, 24, B, 6, Alt X. For letter B, 24, B, 7, Alt X. For letter C, 24, Shift B, 8, Alt X. For letter D, 24, B, 9, Alt X. Then for number 2, let's highlight the letter A, B, C, and D and copy the encircled letters. Then press enter. Na-press na natin yung number 2. Na-enter na natin and paste the copied letters. Control V. Then, yan. Sunod-sunod na yan. Hanggang what number? Okay, para